go get my hair done. We'll take you guys with me and record as much as I can. Let's go. Okay guys, we're here. Let's go in here and see what this is all about. Okay guys, so I am here at the salon and I'm about to do this drastic change. I'm so excited. The view is amazing. And here is, she is gonna try and do something with this here, and we're gonna go step by step and kind of like show you all the different angles and what we're gonna do to get to the color that we're looking for. And I'll just kind of like give you all little clips and get as much footage as I can. But yeah, so if you want to see this, keep watching. Hey guys, so all the foil is in. So what's the next process? It's got to just process, lift up, and then we're gonna cone you and get it going. Sweet. Then you shape you, blow you out. Nice. I'm excited. I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be exciting. Shampoo you, let this sit, and then I'm going to mix up the other toner. So what are you doing over there?
Mixing up some toner for your luscious hair. So we're creating a really pretty natural ash. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of what's called curly frost to it to give it a little bit of that shine.
Ooh.
Fancy.
Sounds good. It sounds delicious.
I know, right? Just to kind of blend out the heavier blonde through the front. This is where my OCD kicks in. Most people wouldn't do it, but that's why mine look differently. So it's just your natural color. And I go in and just smudge it to kind of blend out the highlights. It makes the grow out easier as well.
Right. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
I'm gonna have you look down at your feet. I'm gonna maintain as much length as possible, but when we do a bit of layering, I might have to go just a little shorter than what I would want, because I need to get that
For sure.
fit off there. That work in progress, definitely.
Right.
And then I'm gonna tell you about once a week to definitely put some coconut oil on the end of your hair. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
And that way it'll start to heal back up.
Right.
And then lots and lots of moisture.
Right. Okay guys, I'm all done. It's gorgeous.